The human body is designed to breathe air, not water, and the moment a non-swimmer enters deep water, the body reacts instantly. The very first response comes from the brain, which senses danger and activates the fight or flight system. Heart rate increases sharply as adrenaline is released into the bloodstream. Breathing becomes rapid and uncontrolled because the brain is trying to pull in more oxygen. Since the person does not know how to float or swim, the body begins to panic rather than stabilize. As panic increases, muscles tense up instead of moving in a coordinated way. This tension makes the body heavier in water and causes it to sink further. The brain then sends an automatic signal to hold the breath to protect the lungs. This breath-holding reflex is involuntary and happens even if the person is terrified. However, the body cannot hold its breath for long without oxygen. As oxygen levels in the blood begin to drop, the brain becomes confused. Thinking slows down and decision-making ability weakens. The person may stop trying to move correctly because the brain is now focused only on survival. Inside the chest, the lungs struggle because they are not receiving fresh oxygen. Carbon dioxide levels rise rapidly in the blood, increasing the urge to breathe. At this point, the body is fighting itself, trying to breathe while also trying to protect the lungs. The nervous system becomes overwhelmed due to lack of oxygen. Muscle coordination breaks down, making swimming even more difficult. The arms and legs may move randomly, wasting energy instead of keeping the body afloat. As oxygen supply to the brain continues to decrease, dizziness can occur. Vision may become unclear as the brain prioritizes vital organs over sensory processing. The heart continues to beat faster in an attempt to deliver oxygen that is no longer available. Without intervention, the brain begins to enter an energy-saving mode. Loss of strength follows because muscles cannot function without oxygen. Eventually, the body becomes exhausted from panic and uncontrolled movement. At this stage, the person is unable to keep themselves above water. This entire process can begin within seconds and worsen rapidly. What makes this situation dangerous is not water itself, but panic and lack of breathing control. Trained swimmers survive because they remain calm and control their breathing. Floating, controlled movement, and slow breathing keep oxygen levels stable. This is why swimming is considered a life skill, not just a sport. The human body can survive in water if the mind stays calm and trained. But without swimming knowledge, panic becomes the real enemy. Understanding this process shows how important water safety and swimming education truly are. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.